Hello children, today we are continuing with the 10th chapter, the second part of 10th chapter, that is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to stay alive. Energy is needed to laugh, to work, to play, to think. Even to sit and stand we need energy. We have learned that energy is obtained from food we eat. But there are many other sources of energy. That is what we are going to learn today. Majority of the energy or most part of our energy comes from the sun. It is the readily available source of energy. Plants use or they trap the solar energy to make food. This energy is stored in them, and when we eat these plants, that energy from sun is transferred to us, and our body also gains energy and make us alive, make us stay alive. Other than solar energy, there are many other forms of energy also. So let us first start with solar energy itself, which is the most important and readily available sources of energy. Solar energy is the energy from sun. We get heat energy and light energy from sun. This solar energy is converted into electrical energy with the help of solar panels. You can see the solar panels there. See, here you can see a solar cooker. See, solar cooker, you can see a vessel that is used to cook in the solar cooker. Solar energy is directly converted into heat energy, and with that heat energy we can cook food. In the other case, using solar panels, solar energy is changed into electrical energy, and with this electrical energy we can get heat energy and light energy. So, solar energy, if it is used in the proper way, is a much useful source of energy. Second type of energy is atomic energy. You might have not heard about atomic energy, isn't it? Atom you have heard. Atom is the smallest particle of matter. It is indivisible. But I told you, even if it is indivisible, it can be split up into protons and neutrons. But can you imagine such a small particle, atom, very small particle atom? It is split, and a lot of energy is required to split up this atom. And the energy obtained by splitting of this atom is called atomic energy. Atomic energy is obtained from the splitting of a very small particle called atom. It is used to generate electricity, but we don't prefer getting atomic energy to generate electricity as it is very costly process. It is used for good of mankind, isn't it, to produce electricity, but at the same time atomic energy is used to make atom bombs which can kill lakhs and lakhs of people at a time. That is a bad thing or a harmful thing for the mankind. So this is a source of energy and we have to try to use it for the good of the mankind. So atomic energy is obtained from splitting of an atom. It is used to make electricity and to make atom bombs. Next type of energy is geothermal energy. Geo means what? Earth. Thermal means heat. So geothermal energy is heat from the interior of earth. We know that earth contains three layers: crust, core and mantle. Core is the innermost layer of the earth, which is hot and molten. This heat is taken from the earth and this is called geothermal energy. So that is also a very costly process. It is also used to produce electricity, but that is not applicable in all cases because taking the heat from within the earth is a very expensive process. So our earth itself helps us to produce electricity with the help of energy within the earth. The next type of energy is wind energy, that is the energy that is obtained from the blowing wind. It is used to turn the windmills. Wind energy is used to turn the blades of a windmill. You can see a windmill here. And when the windmill turns, what happens? It changes this wind energy into electrical energy using transformers. So this wind energy, which is a readily available source of energy, is changed into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is changed into heat and light energy when we switch on the bulbs and fans. But this windmills cannot be set up everywhere. It should be in places where we get plenty of wind blowing along the direction to turn the blades of the windmill. Okay. Next source of energy is energy from water or hydropower. Energy from water, water is a very powerful source of energy, okay. Energy from water is used to produce electricity. That is what we use in our daily life. Not the electricity from geothermal energy, not the electricity from atomic energy and all. It is from water that we get electrical energy that we use in our houses. Electricity is produced in hydroelectric power plants. Hydro means water. Water is allowed to fall from a height. Normally water is stored in large dams, isn't it? Water is allowed to fall from the height by opening the shutters of the dams, and the water falls from the great height with great pressure and turn the turbine. This is the turbine that will be kept underneath. These turbines are turned, and this produces electricity with the help of several other equipments and transmitters. So the most important thing here is the water. It only turns the turbines to produce electricity, and that is a very readily available source of energy to produce electricity compared to atomic energy and geothermal energy. So hydroelectric energy or hydropower is energy from water. It is used to produce electricity. Now there are different forms of energy in different situations. Energy can be changed from one form to the other. See, I have given some examples. In a car, which energy do you use? You eat food to get energy. What about in a car? Do you give food to the car? Yes, you give fuel to the car. Petrol, diesel and all are fuels that is given to the car. Fuels contains chemical energy. That chemical energy, when the fuel is burned, that means when you ride a vehicle, which is a car or a bike, the chemical energy in the fuel is changed into heat energy. That is why you feel the vehicle being hot after a ride. Okay. Second one is drum. Beating a drum, you will hear sound. Which energy is used to beat a drum? Muscular energy. Use your muscles, isn't it? Muscular energy. It is converted into which energy? Sound energy. When you beat a drum with muscular energy, you hear sound. So muscular energy is changed into what? Sound energy. Next one is loudspeakers. In loudspeaker, you talk, that sound energy is converted into electrical energy, and that electrical energy passing through that loudspeaker, that electrical energy is changed again into sound. That is how you hear through a loudspeaker. Somebody speaks, that is transmitted through the wires to a loudspeaker. So speaking, you are producing sound energy. It is transmitted through that with the help as an electrical energy, and at the end you will hear it through a loudspeaker as sound energy itself. So sound energy converted into electrical energy, which is again converted into sound energy. The next is electric motors. Electric motors is working in electricity, so electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Motors mainly helps in working of machines. So electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy where machines work. And the last one is solar heater. Solar energy is converted into what? Heat energy. If it is a solar cooker, solar energy is converted into heat energy. Solar panels, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. So we have different forms of energy around us. One form of energy can be changed into another form, but it cannot be destroyed or it cannot be created. Energy is not created or not destroyed by human beings. We can just change one form of energy into the other. So hope you have understood this chapter. We learned about force, we learned about work, we learned about simple machines and the energy and different forms of energy. Read your textbook thoroughly 3 or 4 times so that the concept is clear for you, because the same thing is repeated next year also. So read and read your textbook. Thank you.